Hello friends, welcome back to the second part of Google Slides online, or you can say presentation. So I am going to again open Google Slides. So here is the Google Slides free online presentation for personal use. I am going to open. So in the last video I showed you how blank document, or you can say as blank presentation works, but in this part I am going to let you know how your these templates work. There are many templates, man. You can choose what you want. Let's suppose I want to choose yearbook, so I will just select this template. It is the, you can say as a photography or photo collage of complete 1 year. You can share with your friends. So I'm going to share yearbook 20 of 2021. Let's suppose I wanted to edit, or I wanted to compile all my videos, all my footages here, so I can do it very easily. I wanted to align in the center of the text, and I can add my photos here by uploading some files here or importing some files here. It is very easy and customized. You can change its template design, and you can see it is very simple. You can even move one slide up or below, so it's totally customized. I'm going to move at number 1. I'm going to delete this one, delete this one, and I can upload my own data. It is very simple and easy. So let's jump to second one so that I can show you. Your big data big idea mean you can import or you can write your ideas here. Photo album mean you can upload all your photos in just album. Wedding means, let's check this one. So you can see as it is a type of a wedding album, or in the form of a text and footages. So you can write about your wedding and your pros cons of wedding. What do you think? Because wedding has totally pros, it has, I think, no con, because it is the Sharia, it is in our Sharia and the power of Islam as well. Getting here, you can change anyone and to anyone you want. You can add these photos, you can remove these photos, you can add your own pictures as well, and you can use the template which one you want. It is very easy and customized. I'm going to open some other. This one is a party invite, so it is a type of invitation presentation. So there is a lot of background noise, friends, in my background, so please bear it. I can do nothing in this regards. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to design a wedding album for my you can say as a personal use or for my friends. It is very easy, and you can add more pages from here. Let's suppose you have ended and completed your work. At the end, you can click on present. All the slides will appear in front of you in this way. You can click on next, or go back as well to check your work. So it is very easy. So now, friends, I am going to share it and let you know how share works. You will enter the email address of your friends you want to enter here. Or one more thing you can do, you can simply copy link. First of all, change it to anyone and copy. Now anyone can open this link. So in this way you can do it and share it with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.